What industry topic doesn't get talked about enough?
Ageism. My name is Simon Cook. I'm the Managing Director of Can Lights.
What's the best career wisdom you've ever received?
That as a leader, you are in service to your team, not the other way around.
What's the hardest career lesson you've ever learned?
That you can't do everything yourself.
What's your professional superpower?
Listening, because we have 2 ears and 1 mouth.
What comes to mind when we say machine learning?
Opportunity.
Programmatic?
Not quite there.
Future marketer?
Exciting.
What's your YouTube sinful indulgence?
I don't want to say.
Come on.
Probably like pop videos that I shouldn't be watching at my age.
Any parting words of wisdom for the next generation of creative minds?
If you want to be a leader, don't try and be a coach or a colonel or win the war. Just try and be a gardener. Try and create the right environment where other people can flourish.